Okay, so on my way home, I ran across two Jada vehicles on an end cap, and I believe it was a Love's truck stop. And it's a big time muscle. And it's a 2008 Corvette. And here you have your license information, your car type, Jada Toys, the barcode from that, because this was not in a box. It was on an end cap. Rubber tires. Die-cast metal. Yeah. And this is the Corvette that I bought right here. Rolls pretty nice. This is a 1/24 scale. Very, very nice little vehicle. Rubber rear view mirrors. And I also purchased this Jada vehicle at the same time. It was also on the end cap. Up here and kind of look at the Camaro, a 2010 Camaro SS. There's the serial number. I put the tag over it. License information. Rubber wheels like a Jada vehicle. License plate. No trunk space. Second, let me. There it went. That was a very stiff trunk or hood, very stiff hood. There's your engine block inside. See that? That has a nice click to it. Very nice. I think I've already mentioned that it has rubber wheels. Oh, we're proud of that. And that is it. I found these both at the Love's truck stop. They were on end cap together. And, you know, when you collect Jada toys and you run across two Jada toys on an end cap that you don't have, you just have to kind of pick them up. They had others. I chose the two that I thought were the nicest, but you know, I'm not, you know, filthy rich, so I have to pick and choose what I get. And I thought these were the best looking ones that they had, but it was a hard decision. There was a green one, looked great, loved it, but couldn't, you know, I couldn't just keep buying Jada toys, you know, as much as I wanted to. But that's basically it. I hope you liked the little review.